Hello, my name is Chris Lunas, and today I would like to talk to you about my favorite hobby, which is sailing. Sailing to me is much more than just getting one place to another. There are also many parts of a sailboat that one has to be aware of. Usually I sail the boat that is called the sloop. A sloop only has one mast. The ketch and the yawl have two masts, but the yawl steering wheel is in front of the forward mast. There is also another sailboat called the schooner, which has two masts also, but the back mast is larger. In sailing, one has to be aware of the wind, and if one comes to that conclusion of that understanding, one can sail properly. With the sail to the wind at 90 degrees, one can sail really nicely all day. But there is complications that do arise, which is the upwind that comes across the sailboat, which it makes it more difficult to sail. In San Diego, there are many places to sail. My favorite island is called Catalina. But the wind is directly in to where I want to go from San Diego to Catalina, so I have to sail my boat from 35 degrees to the wind. There's also a method called tacking, and I have to pull my sail from one side to the other 35 degrees. So this would look like a zigzag looking, it would look like a zigzag from my destination from San Diego to Catalina. Now, if there was a person with a better boat, experience, and skills, they would get there faster than me. But that's the challenge and fun of sailing. There's a reward upwind. If there's an upwind, and there's a reward downhill or downwind from Catalina to San Diego. There is a beautiful run from the wind to our back when we sail from Catalina to San Diego. So I try to get there as best I can, gathering as much wind as possible from my destination back to San Diego. In sailing, it's very fun, but one has to be experienced and skilled. Also have to be aware of safety and understanding of which the wind goes up or down, and also have to be aware of many hazardous weather conditions, how much the boat can handle, how much gathering of the wind, and how much to trim the sails. If one can all understand these aspects, then one can be able to sail. Sailing is very enjoyable and pleasurable hobby.